What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today is another trade recap, as I always say. Today, unfortunately, we took an L. It was an A+ setup though, so I'm not even mad that I lost this trade. Today was also the first day live trading. If you guys want to join the Discord with the live trading, it's completely free for the time being. Just go to my link, go down to the description box, click on my Instagram, and then go to my Instagram and then look at my link tree. From the link tree, you can join from there. You guys are going to be 100% welcome to the Discord, and we love seeing new people inside the Discord. So let's get on with this trade recap. So news for today. No news Monday. So today was the best and not the best day to trade and not de-risk, because why? No news Mondays are basically every Monday, and knowing that there's not going to be any tentative news, or should I say no delayed news. So we're 100% certain that there's not going to be any type of news today. Any type of news today. So it's a perfect day to trade / not trade. Then yeah, so no news today. Coming into my bias today, which I posted on my Instagram, in my Discord, in my daily bias channel. If you guys want to join, go to the link in the description. Instagram, Linktree, and join from there. Please go join. So good morning, everybody. Whatever. Today's no news Monday. We're able to risk normally because there's no news that are tentative, but leaning more bullish today, despite having the bearish S&P with all-time highs. On the daily, clearly respected the daily bullish fair value gap, showing clear bullish clear bullish sign. On the 4 hour, we also respected and delivering from the 4 hour bullish fair value gaps, as well with inversing the 4 hour bearish fair value gap, meaning the 4 hour is in bullish order flow. The scenarios below is what I want to see and can expect to happen, drawing liquidity being all-time highs. So like I said in my bias, I think it was Friday. So we had this fair value gap right here, daily fair value gap, and we closed inside of it and started respecting it. So if I see any type of strong closes down, that's how I know the daily is going to be bearish and we want to go towards these lows right here. But we clearly respected it, and that's a bullish sign, already bullish on the day. Now here on the 4 hour, I see that we are respecting this fair value gap right here and getting good reactions from it. And what do I also see? That we disrespected this bearish fair value gap right here, and we respected this other bullish fair value gap right here. So what is this telling me? That we're respecting bullish and disrespecting bearish. So that's an obvious bullish sign, because we're disrespecting bearish and respecting bullish. Obvious bullish order flow despite having this SMT at all-time highs. So super bullish. Hourly is also respecting these lows and these fair value gaps. And these are the scenarios. So this is the daily gap and the 4 hour gap. Scenario number 1, which, oh my god, now that I see this, I actually predicted this so freaking well. What the frick? But what did I expect here? We have this 15-minute gap right here, 15-minute gap unfilled, both unfilled. And we already made this SMT with that 15-minute gap. So if we were to just, here, I'll show you guys the first one. If we were to just reverse off of this 15-minute gap right here because of the SMT, sure, I'll take some longs from there. But this was the better scenario for today, and I actually predicted this very well. So we have this hourly unfilled fair value gap. We have this 15-minute intermediate low, followed by these unfilled 15 minutes. I wanted the price to come down because I knew London lows was super low, and I didn't want to see E and Q take out London lows, because why? ES was closer to them, and I knew that if we make an SMT there, that's super bullish. And we also tapped into the 15, but yeah, fill in the hourly, take out this 15-minute intermediate low, SMT at London lows, exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened. But then there was another one if we wanted to come down all the way here into equilibrium, take out London lows, and then also have an inversion to the upside, then yeah, sure, I'd take some longs. But I was more confident in this right here. I wanted to see this. And what? Oh my god. Am I recording? Yes, okay. So, this is what I wanted to see come into today. Holy crap, I'm farting so much. So, let's get into market open. Damn, if you guys heard that, that's going to be mad embarrassing. That is going to be mad embarrassing. Alright, so, my bad. Sorry for that. So, market opens right here. We start dumping, right? We're dumping. And then we are in these 50-minute gaps. And my other condition, like I said, if we wanted to reverse off these gaps right here, I'd honestly take this long. Right here, we tapped into the 15-minute, and we're getting V-shaped recovery. This is the only gap I'd take the longs off of, right here, which it didn't inverse, so didn't take it. That obvious. And then we started dumping a little bit more, and this is what I wanted to see happen. We come down, we take out this 15-minute intermediate low, and we tap into this unfilled hourly. WWW. But we did tap it in with this candle right here, this black one. And what did I want to see happen first? Hold up, I gotta fix my fair value gap. What did I want to see happen first? ES was very close to taking out those lows. So I wasn't going to take anything until ES took those lows. Because as you can see, this is the candle right here. Holy crap. Okay, never mind. I did not take it after. So it actually filled in that hourly gap. We filled in the 15-minute as well. I just noticed that I was wrong. So we had this 15-minute here as well. And it tapped into it right here, right? We took out, like I said, 15-minute intermediate low got taken, hourly gap got filled, and this 15. We get a V-shaped recovery up. And I was wrong on this at first, but now I see why. But, yeah. I enter after this V-shaped recovery up. We didn't inverse it with this candle, but we did inverse with this one. I waited for a little retrace down here. I entered, right? And then we started chopping. And then around here, while we're in drawdown, I knew ES was going to take out London lows. We made the SMT with London lows. Great. This is now an A plus setup. So before the SMT, I'd give it an A setup. And once we took out that SMT, A plus, and we also made an SMT with this internal low right here, right there. So A plus setup. I was risking around 200. If I'm not mistaken, I lost. Yep, 237. I know I'm down on a month, but it's gonna come back. Trust. But I entered in with 237. Stops below this SMT right here because we had the SMT with this internal low right here. No. Oh my god, I'm mixing stuff up. This is lack of sleeping. But stop loss below this low right here. Why? Because since I did enter out before ES taking out London lows, I knew London lows would take it out because look, you can just tell. Then I was going to go break even at first at this buy sell liquidity. But then once we started chopping, and win drawdown, I decided to go break even here, but it didn't even, go to my break even. We actually got stop rated. But would have taken something out here at break even, probably a contract. I was in for 3 micros and then full TP at all-time highs. It was a beautiful setup. It was a very good setup, A plus setup. And A plus setups do fail, guys. So A plus setups fail to maintain a winning statistic. So, yeah, that's basically it. Trade recap finished. I'm gonna hit the gym, gonna freaking hit chest and biceps, and yeah. Um, Unfortunately, we got an L on the first day on live, right? But we took a very good setup, and that's all that matters. I don't really care how much I'm losing or making unless we're taking the best possible setups, and today we did. And as you can see, I literally predicted what happened, but unfortunately, we did not get that W, right? We got stopped out here, and then it started going up. Like, it would have hit at 228. I'm not trying to be in the trade for that long. But yeah, that's basically it for the trade recap. If you guys want to join the Discord, again, go down to the link and go down to the description. Go into my Instagram link or TikTok link. It doesn't matter. They both have it now. Go to my link tree. From the link tree, you guys can click on the free Discord, JC Trades HQ, where we trade live every single day. I post my daily buys every single day, Monday through Friday, 9:15 p.m. a.m. Live trading starts at 9:20 a.m. And yeah, make sure you guys go join there. And make sure you guys go follow the socials while you're at it. Go follow the TikTok and Instagram. So I'll see you guys on the next trade. This was a beautiful setup. Unfortunately, we did lose. But like I said, we need losses to maintain a winning statistic. I'll see you guys tomorrow if I end up taking a trade. But I will see you, whoever joins the live, I'll see you there. So God bless you guys. Trade safe. And hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.